Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. I'm here today with an estate sale haul, and this one, I think I forgot to do a video on it because this was so long ago that I went. I don't even remember when I went, but I found a lot of basic things, which I don't need basic things anymore, mainly like file folders and papers and things like that. But I did find a few cool things. So let's start with this, just a pad of paper. So I got that, and then I got file folders, which when I start grabbing a lot of these, I do like this color. I think this would be a really cool journal. My favorite color for file folders. But when I start grabbing a lot of file folders, you know that there's not much else going on. So I got that. And she did charge me a lot because of what I found that I will show at the end. And then some of this color. This is kind of cool. They're dividers. And some file folders, which I am overloaded on. These legal size ones right here. Okay, sorry for bumping the camera. All right, so got that. These are kind of like the basic bread and butter type things, foundational items. Okay, but the little bit at the end here is pretty cool. So I found this. I'm always looking for old paper, and I am not able to find that much old paper. But I thought this font was awesome. And it's just an oatmeal color. I don't know if the paper started out that way or if this is due to aging. But it says it was written in 1931. I don't know. I have no idea like when this is actually from, though. And then I found. Okay, so sorry for the rustling. Found a bunch of old paper, and this is older than I normally find, so she did charge me a lot just because of this. But this is from 1937. I have not gone through these. Yeah, but that's cool. Yeah, I don't really ever find letters, so I was excited about this. This is from 1949. This is from 37. It's just so cool. I'm really trying to focus more on getting things like this. I can't see a date on here. But even this envelope here is so cool. $1947, 1948 it looks like. I thought that was cool. $3 to mail this. So it's probably around that same time. Some more postcards. And this one is from 1946. Their envelopes were so cool. So I am doing a lot of organization right now. I don't know. That's kind of cool. I don't know like when I'm going to be making videos on the organization, but I need to really organize because I've gotten so many things. I love this font and the color of this. It's copyright 1923. But yeah, I'm kind of drowning in all of these haul things. So I'm gonna have to be more picky with what I bring home. 1946. And this is from the War Department. I think she saw this and that's why she charged me a lot, because she realized it was old. 1945. This is 1947. But I really need to be more picky about what I bring home. And that's why organizing is going to be great. 1924 copyright on this one. This is a cool color. 1948. 1950. Don't see a year on this one, but that's pretty. 1940. This is 1939. I think maybe, no. This is, yeah, I can't see the date on there. That's cool. Photo corners here. It's still sealed and everything, so that's pretty cool. This one's open, so let's see what color it is. They're black ones, I think. No. I think they are this color. Because the photo, let's grab a postcard. That's really cool. I like that color a lot. That'll be really fun to use. This is from 1946, I think. 1949. So I guess I did get a pretty good amount of stuff from the 40s. 1950, 1938. Okay, so let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to count the envelopes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's a nice little stack. And then these postcards and the letters that were loose. That's pretty good. I feel a little bit better about this sale. And these old books too. I thought this was super cool. It's so pretty. This is copyright 1808. Wow. And that's, it looks like To Miss May with love and good wishes from Mrs. Green, 1909. Okay, so I actually found something super old. Most things that I find are from the 50s and 60s. Most things that I consider vintage or you know, like a good find are from the 50s and 60s. That's what I've been able to find. I haven't really been able to find a lot older than that. So this is so awesome. 1808. It's amazing how this is so old. So I wonder why it wasn't given to someone until 1909. Isn't that weird? And there's no other copyright date on here. That's pretty crazy. But it's so old, but it's such quality. Way more quality than now, like even just holding it. And it's beautiful. Okay, that was really worth it. And this was cool. I love the colors and the print. And let's see. That's pretty cool. Love this font and color here. And then this is a really cool crinkly texture. So that's super fun. This would be amazing as a cover on something. Let's see if there's a date. This was $2, so it's not that old. It looks, the style doesn't look too old. Copyright 1970. Super happy about that one. And then I saw this, and they're napkins, so I just grabbed them. But yeah, super cool. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.